I did a decent amount of eggs this time because there was a lot of rice.
Mm-hmm.
Which, this is fresh rice, but yesterday was your days. This is the rice I made with beef tips the other day.
Mm-hmm.
It turned out good.
Mm-hmm. It did.
Alright, so... I'm only going to put in half the meat, and then I have it on medium heat. And there's like a kind of sauce in here with the beef. Because we're fancy like that. It does really look good. And we have cauliflower as our vegetable. We have a double protein and carb. Just kind of going through any big chunks and I'll turn it to low. Ooh. And that's it.
So we might come back when it's all finished.
Why do we need to come back when it's finished? It's finished.
No, when you share the plate.
Why?
To make it the final plate.
Your final plate? Your big old plate? Alright, I gotta change my brand new shirt I just put on. Alright, final plate.
There you go.
That again?
This is the rice, and this is the cauliflower.